Hello, I'm Emar Pakistan, Deputy General Manager, Generator Division of Greaves. Greaves has been in power generation business for the last 50 years. We provide assistance for load estimation, sizing of diesel generators, installation of diesel generators, civil works, layout drawings, fuel piping, power and control cabling, ducting for fresh and exhaust gases. Our service department is fully equipped to conduct overhauling of all types of diesel engines, specifically Kohler, John Deere, Perkins, Deutz, Mitsubishi and Volvo engines. Greaves offers industrial range of Kohler KD series to our valued customers. We offer KD series ranges from 800 kVA to 4500 kVA 50 Hz with the features of latest generation engine technology, the best fuel consumption in its category, compact design, a large power range covered by a single product family, a direct fit radiator for a small footprint and a complete solution superior transient response. A design that optimizes performance at high temperatures. Enclosures installation possible up to 1500 kVA standby and in 20 feet container up to 1800 kVA standby, low sound level. Diesel generators with emission compliant Kohler engines are also available.